Gondor garlic peeling production line. Efficiently automated operation. Modular design. Uniformly convey raw materials. Avoid accumulation or breakage. Effortless garlic-clove separation. Dry gas peeling is used. No damage to garlic. High peeling rate, low damage. Quickly identify non-standard garlic. Remove residual garlic skin and surface impurities. Remove surface moisture from garlic, prevent mold growth. Automatic tracking and adjustment of amplitude. Uniform feeding of materials. Multiple solutions.